I'm going to calculate 34 times by 6 using the grid method. I'll be using place value cards and as my visual representation for partitioning the number 34 into 3 tens and 4 ones, like so. I'll put these on top of our grid, and the 6 down here. I'll be using these for my inactive representation to display my calculation. So first of all, I need to times 30 by 6. I will now show this by grouping 6 lots of 30 using the deans, making sure they are grouped clearly to help children understand the process of repeated aggregation. One group of 3, 30. Two groups of 30. So from this we can see that the answer to 30 times 6 is 180, which I'll be writing beside it so that children can link the iconic, the inactive and the symbolic together. So next I will be using the deans again to multiply 4 by 6. So here I will be showing a clear grouping of 6 lots of 4, sorry. Five groups, 6 groups. So from here we can see that the answer is 24. So again, I'm writing it in symbolic form next to it. And children can either count the deans to get the answer, or they'll know that from their multiplication knowledge. So now we have our partial product, from our partitioned multiples. So now I need to take my partial products and combine them together using the addition method. So I'll be using the expanded column addition and using the deans to represent the numbers. So here we have 0, so nothing there, but obviously 0 is a placeholder, so we need to write it down. 80s, so we have 8 tens represented with deans, 100 block, 4 ones, and 2 tens. And then we go from the top, 0 plus 4 is 4, 4 goes down here. 80 plus 20 gives us 100. And this can be exchanged for 100 block. Which is at the other side of the room. And this can be exchanged for 100. Which would then go into the 100 column. So this will represent exchanging. However, we need to put a 0 in here for the placeholder. And then 100 plus 0 is 100, and remember the exchanging. 100 plus 100 is 200. And we add these together. Which gives us the answer 204. So our answer can also be represented with our deans from our previous grid by pushing them together to make an array. So combining them together, should I say, sorry, not pushing. So like this. And there we have our answer represented as an array, and that is 204.